दादी के हाथों का जादू और खुशबू से महकता घर, माँ की मुस्कुराहट और खाने की सुगंध। MDH गरम मसाला,
क्योंकि हर रिश्ता है स्वाद से जुड़ा।
This agreement, can I have a copy of the agreement? It was there with me. I think I left it outside. It can be given to me. This agreement is dated, signed on April 1991, 6th April. 1 month earlier, Congress withdrew support from Chandrasekhar on 6th March 1991. So, Chandrasekhar was acting Prime Minister of India. Congress had withdrawn support. Sanju, briefly, I want to start with you before I go to Nikhil and Pankaj and Tariq. How is the Congress responsible then?
You know, Arnab, first thing first, this agreement with Pakistan that was signed by the Indian government was done on the 6th of April 1991 to share military protocol information pertaining to movement of armed forces and information pertaining to military drills. Now, what has Pawan Khera said? He said, so what if the agreement was signed in April 1991? हमने तो फरवरी में ही डिसीजन ले लिया था और मार्च में तो हमने चंद्रशेखर सरकार से सपोर्ट वापस लेने का निर्णय भी ले लिया था. So let me just say one very important thing. Yes, when Chandrasekhar was the acting prime minister, the agreement with Pakistan to share information was signed. But what Pawan Khera does not tell you, what Jairam Ramesh does not tell you, what Rahul Gandhi does not tell you, what the ecosystem, Darbari ecosystem does not tell you, Arnab, is this. The Congress came back to power in 1992, and this agreement with Pakistan to share information pertaining to military protocol was implemented by the Congress government. I repeat, it was signed when Chandrasekhar was the acting PM, but the agreement was implemented by Congress party. And more importantly, in 1994, Congress went knocking on the doors of the United Nations
Okay,
to
1
ask
minute.
the UN to ratify.
Let me go to your first point. Don't reveal all your points to start with. I want quick reactions to that. The point being made, Nikhil and Pankaj and Tariq, is that Congress is defending itself, saying that we had withdrawn support on 6th of April 1991. But then Congress came back to power, Narasimha Rao became the Prime Minister, and apparently the agreement was registered 3 years later when the Congress party was fully in power. And as per this agreement, India had to give details about military exercises, maneuvers, troop movements, everything to the Pakistanis. Even in changes of corps level exercises, divisional exercises, naval exercises, everything had to be given, right? Nuclear installations, everything. So, if it's a bad agreement, if its agreement is against national interest, then why did the Congress register the agreement in 1994? That's a moot question. Nikhil?
No, can I please take that? Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So the agreement was signed 34 years ago. It was registered with the United Nations 31 years ago. Of those 34 and 31 years respectively, 17 years it's the BJP that's been in power, and the agreement continues to be in effect. The objective of the agreement was that there is no unnecessary escalation of tensions, and the agreement contemplates for Pakistan to notify similar movements and India to notify similar movements, right? So now the BJP for the BJP to pull it up after being 11 years in continuous power, that is just trying to
the
find
nature of
things
details,
to
Nikhil.
run away from
The nature of
accountability.
details, Nikhil. The nature of details is what is concerning out here.
But both the countries have to share that.
Movement of strategic formations by India, armored divisions, mechanized divisions, air assault divisions, reserve infantry formations, artillery divisions, air defense artillery divisions, we have to tell Pakistan.
Pakistan has to tell us
No,
as
but
well,
why do
Arnab.
we
It's a
have to
mutual
agree into
agreement.
something like
Both
this
the
with
parties have
Pakistan?
the same
You
rights
see,
and
1
the same
minute,
liabilities.
Nikhil, please don't speak over me. See, Pankaj, we have a huge conventional superiority over Pakistan. We should maintain that superiority by not getting into this kind of a detailed agreement with Pakistan. Now, is it true that the Narasimha Rao Congress government registered this in 1994? And what was the compulsion to do so?
See, military protocols are signed. It's a normal process to avoid unnecessary escalation. And there should not be any gray area. And because of that, there should not be any escalation of
But do you
unnecessary
need to
nature.
give this kind of detail to the Pakistanis?
You've got three people on the opposite side, Arnab. It's only fair that you allow me a rebuttal, please.
What about joint military exercises with China, which happened in 2014,
Topic at
immediately
hand.
after Narendra
The topic
Modi
is about Pakistan,
taking
not
over
about China.
as the Prime Minister?
Why are you always out of
And
syllabus?
joint exercise.
No, but this is
joint
so
exercise
detailed.
with China in
Pankaj,
China.
Pankaj, this is so
China.
detailed.
China.
Yes, I'm coming to you,
15.
Sanju. This is so
Then in
detailed that any
2016
induction of additional troops of a division-sized force within 150 kilometers of specific areas will have to be informed to the Pakistanis. This is too much
Yeah, please
detail.
Vice versa. Vice versa.
what is the need?
Pakistan will also inform
पाकिस्तान हमारा
India.
दोस्त है क्या?
This is the agreement. Not that only India.
राहुल गांधी का दोस्त है पाकिस्तान और राहुल गांधी के जितने चरम
What are
चुंबक
these
हैं
personal governments?
राहुल गांधी के जितने चरम चुंबक हैं the Congress दरबारी इकोसिस्टम is applauding Pakistan, is speaking Asi Munir's language.
नरेंद्र
is
मोदी
talking
से
from the
पूछिए ना कि
table of
नवाज शरीफ की
Shehbaz
बिरयानी कैसी थी?
Nikhil, just tell me one thing. Why did the
बिरयानी का
Congress
स्वाद तो बताइए.
speaking
मटन
in
बिरयानी थी,
agreement
चिकन बिरयानी थी या
1992?
वेज बिरयानी
Why
थी?
did the Congress knock on the door of
बिरयानी
the
कैसी
United
थी?
Nations
अंडा
to
बिरयानी,
ratify
मटन
that
बिरयानी या
agreement
वेज
in
बिरयानी?
1994?
संजू, बात की बातें करने की जगह
बंद करो।
talk about sense.
You're
That
a
would be better for the
chairman
viewers
of the
and for the
Congress
show.
party. You're not even an official spokesperson. It's my bad that I have
Oh
to
my God,
debate
I'm
with
crying.
dimwits like you.
I'm crying.
I have
I'm
to
so
debate
sad.
with dimwits like you.
I'm so
I
sad.
want to ask why did the Congress
so sad. I'm
implement this
appalled.
agreement in 1992?
Can you stick to the facts?
Why did
Can
the
you stick to the
Congress
facts?
ask the United
Why
Nations to
did your
ratify this
government
agreement
non-operationalize the agreement in the 17 years that it has been? In the 17 years, आपको याद नहीं है कि
No,
agreement-
I want to
in the
mention this.
17 years, could
One
you
minute.
not remember that
Sanju
this
and
agreement is
Tariq
wrong
now.
if it indeed is?
Sanju and Tariq now. Louder for
Please
Sanju
don't
and
get
Tariq.
Nikhil to come in and
Very
speak
important
gibberish
point
on the
now.
show.
Very important point.
Why do you get these clowns on your show? Why do you get these clowns on your show?
Why are you
So
calling
are
them
there. I
clowns?
think every clown,
Why
every
not?
other clown
Why
in the
not?
world
Why
can
should
be.
I not call them clowns?
So long as
They've
you are
accused
the
S.
panel
Jaishankar of
every clown
sedition.
in the world has
They've
got to be
accused
held
S.
offensive.
Jaishankar of treason.
Sanju,
What do you
so
think I
long
should
as
call
you
them?
are the panel-
Who specifically are you calling a clown?
Been accused of treason. I'm calling Nikhil a clown because he is part of the Congress Darbari ecosystem that refuses to acknowledge the valor of our armed forces.
Now
You
answer
will
the
calling
question.
Nikhil a clown.
The agreement was not de-operationalized in the 17 years that the BJP has been in government.
I'm sorry, Nikhil. I'm sorry, Nikhil, when you try to use words like de-operationalize and all that, remember here.
Going round and round in music.
Well, one minute. Just one.
Like a game
Sanju,
music
can I give a substantive 7-second point, please? Thank you. Anyway, you should be careful about Congress.
And then you don't give me time to rebut.
Sanju, you careful about nowadays their latest habit is and they call Karnataka government कि इसको arrest कर दो. They will send someone to arrest you. कल 12 लोग भेजे थे मेरे को arrest कर दो.
I'm also fighting cases against some of them. They file cases against me, but I don't care or not. I will speak what needs to be said.
Okay.
केस फाइल करना है, FIR फाइल करना करो. हम आपसे
Criminal
डरने
cases
वाले
against
नहीं
them.
हैं.
We
Anyway,
know.
now the thing is that the counter question being asked by the pro-Congress voice Nikhil is that why has the Modi government or the BJP not de-operationalized this agreement? Now, in this agreement, Tariq, it is written that combat aircraft, including fighter, bomber, reconnaissance, jet, and armed helicopter, will not fly within 10 kilometers of others' airspace, including air defense identification zones, except when they are operating from certain places, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Suratgarh, in which case they will maintain a distance of 5 kilometers from each other's airspace. अरे हमने तो घर में घुसकर मार दिया, रहीम यार खान का नाम लिखा है इधर. हमने तो रहीम यार खान को खत्म कर दिया. तो मोदी जी ने तो डी-ऑपरेशनलाइज कर दिया है ना? ब्राह्मोस भेजने के बाद कोई कहे कि ये जो अग्रीमेंट है जो मुचकुंद दुबे और शहरयार खान ने साइन की है ये अभी भी वैलिड है. अरे मोदी जी ने तो इस अग्रीमेंट के क्या कहते हैं, व्हाट इज द वर्ड, चित्रे कर दिए. व्हाट इज द वर्ड?
इस एग्रीमेंट की धज्जियां उड़ा दी हैं मोदी
ये
जी ने.
अग्रीमेंट खत्म है अभी. ये बीजेपी डज नॉट बिलीव इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अग्रीमेंट.
मोदी जी ने धज्जियां उड़ा दी हैं उस एग्रीमेंट की.
तो तारिक जी, आप थोड़े इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन को लेते हुए, अगर संभव है, पता नहीं संभव है कि नहीं आपके लिए आजकल, अगर संभव है तो इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन लेते हुए जरा पूछिए इनको कि ये एग्रीमेंट ये रजिस्टर क्यों हुई 15 दिसंबर 1994 में. एंड आर यू कंफर्टेबल ऐसी एग्रीमेंट कोई करे? आप इससे खुश हैं? आप इसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं? आपको लगता है अच्छा है, इस तरह के एग्रीमेंट और होने चाहिए? हाँ, आपकी तो राजनीतिक घनिष्ठता है कांग्रेस पार्टी से, You're politically very close and dependent on Congress party, but you have to explain. Tell me, Tariq. Try to take independent line today. आज try to take independent line today.
मैं आज कुछ बात जो बोलने जा रहा हूं, मैंने बहुत शालीनता से सबको सुना, आपको भी सुना, संजू जी को भी सुना, सबको सुना है। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप भी सुने। आपने मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन कही, ना 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 भाईजान, मैं इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं लूंगा, मैं चंद्रशेखर की लाइन लूंगा। क्योंकि आप जो चंद्रशेखर जी का किया हुआ है, आप जो पूछ रहे हैं, तो मुझको आप चंद्रशेखर समझिए और मुझसे सवाल करिए। चंद्रशेखर जी हमारे घर के बुजुर्ग भी थे, मेरे फादर के साथी भी थे, मेरे फादर के लीडर भी थे और मेरे राजनीतिक गुरु भी थे।
भाई आपने आपके राजनीतिक गुरु ने क्या करवाया ये सब?
हाँ सुन लीजिए,
ये सब कर दिया आपके राजनीतिक गुरु ने।
अरे जवाब दे रहा हूँ, सुन लीजिए।
पाकिस्तान के साथ ऐसा अग्रीमेंट कर दिया।
मैंने अभी यही
और वो भी जब इनकी कोई पॉलिटिकल पोजीशन नहीं थी, इंटरिम प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, लेमडक सरकार चला रहे, इतनी बड़ी एग्रीमेंट कर दी पाकिस्तान के साथ। भैया क्यों? पहले तो बात यह है कि अगर उनकी सरकार गिर चुकी है तो इनको तो कोई बड़ा फैसला नहीं करना चाहिए।
आप समझ गए, मैं समझ गया, आप जब समझ गए कि जवाब मिलने वाला, इसलिए तारीख।
No, I don't understand how a lame duck prime minister can sign an agreement like this with. ये तो गलत है।
आप अगर नहीं समझते, अरे आप नहीं समझते हैं तो आपने इसीलिए संजू जी एक मिनट, आप नहीं समझते इसीलिए तो आपने मुझसे पूछा है ना समझने के लिए। तो अब समझाना चाहता हूं तो आप समझना नहीं।
गलतफहमी मत रखिए,
सुन लीजिए,
मैं आपको टेस्ट कर रहा हूं।
अरे मेरे भाईजान सुन लीजिए, बहुत सीरियस मैटर है ये।
Stop indulging yourself.
पहले सुन लीजिए, पहले सुन लीजिए। आप समझना नहीं चाहते तो सुन लीजिए। देखिए एक मामला समझिएगा। आगरा में समिट हुई थी पाकिस्तान और भारत सरकार की। वो आया था परवेज मुशर्रफ और अटल जी थे।
विंग कमांडर व्योमिका।
अरे भाई चुप हो जाओ यार,
आपके
बगलौली के सिवा कुछ और आता है?
व्योमिका सिंह को चमार क्यों
बगलौली के सिवा कुछ आता है? अरे बगलौली के सिवा कुछ आता है?
क्या बोला? बरगला ने?
गोपाल यादव
अरे
You said बरगला ने?
कुछ आता है? बगलौली बंद करो भाई,
ऐसे बात करें।
बगलौली बंद
राम
करो।
गोपाल यादव को
अरे
कंफ्यूज कीजिए।
Low level
बगलौली बंद
debate
कर।
राम गोपाल यादव called व्योमिका सिंह a
ये
चमार।
भाई, अरे मैडम, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू प्लीज कीप योर ट्रैप शट।
Jihadis like you will not condemn Akhilesh Yadav. You will sit here and give bhashan and certificates of nationalism.
Please don't call him a jihadi. Every time you call him a jihadi, you take the debate in a different direction.
What should I call him?
You call him Tariq.
No, he's Jihadi Tariq.
This is not
What's the harm in
necessary.
being
This is
called a
not
Jihadi
necessary.
Tariq? That's who he is.
Then
That
when
is
he
what
when he
these
does a
people
personal
are all
counter
about.
attack on you, you complain a lot. But you're the one who started.
I take a lot of personal nonsense from these guys, but enough
the
is
verses
enough.
club.
I will call out their class.
मैडम मैंने कभी पर्सनल नहीं गया हूँ, मैं पर्सनल कभी गया नहीं हूँ। जिस दिन पर्सनल जाऊंगा ना, कोई तो सुल्फर लहरा रही है, गायब हो जाएंगी।
मैं डरती नहीं
ये
हूं
ध्यान रखना।
से। राम गोपाल।
अरे मैं कौन सा डरता हूँ तुम जैसी लोगों से?
व्योमिका सिंह चमार।
सड़क पे खड़ी रहती है, दिखती है। सड़क पे खड़ी
leader Ram Gopal Yadav, yes or no? If you cannot
अरे
condemn
छोड़ो यार, बगलौली बंद करो।
be sitting here.
अरे
What?
मेरे जान, मेरे भाई,
बरगलानी?
इसका बवासीर हो गया है।
Giving me lectures on nationalism. आपसे मुझे कोई सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत नहीं है।
चाय पी लेता हूँ जब तक इसका इलाज।
Hey, don't get up. He's gone.
So the debate quality will improve if he's gone.
Everyone on, the
Why
others
not
are
I?
reacting. You can't put them on air. What's going on? What kind of direction is this?
नहीं, this is good. बकवास सुनने से बेहतर है ना भाई। इस तरह की छिछोरी बात है, छिछोरी औरत के मुंह से सुनने को मिल रही है।
Okay, Sanju, let him reply because he claims to be politically inspired by Chandrasekhar, who is actually the architect of this agreement.
No, sir, I'm not.
So he needs to, let him give his view. Sanju, let's go back to the main point. You just said.
I am Chandrasekhar. I'm not politically inspired by him. I am Chandrasekhar.
You are Chandrasekhar.
Yes, I am.
Now you're sounding like Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi chala gaya.
You जो समझना समझते रहो।
You are Chandrasekhar.
कह रहा हूं तो उसको सुन लो भाई।
You are Chandrasekhar.
ना तो सीखो। फैमिली मेंबर हैं हम लोग। बात तो सुनिए। जब आप सुनना ही नहीं
आपके
चाहते
फैमिली मेंबर ने गलत तो किया है।
अब बात तो जवाब देने देंगे, गलत है कि सही है, फिर फैसला कर लीजिए।
ठीक है, संजू, प्लीज
जवाब
don't
सुनना
speak.
नहीं है।
Everyone.
बात कर रहे हैं।
Everyone.
आप थोड़ी देर संजू जी का वो माइक बंद कर दिए अपने
आप बोलिए ना, आप इंट्रोडक्शन ज्यादा दे रहे हैं, संजू जी सुन रही हैं,
नहीं,
बोलिए, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम।
भाई आप जब सुनना ही नहीं चाहते तो हम क्या करें?
अरे मैं सुन रहा हूँ, आप बोलिए,
Listen to me.
आई एम सुनोइंग मैन।
पक्का ना? पक्का ना?
Sanju ji, stop obsessing over me.
अरे मैडम, आई एम नॉट ऑब्सेस्ड ऐश्वर्या राय, आप वो नहीं है, आप वो नहीं है। अरे कमाल,
These guys have been
आपको देख के आदमी डर जाए,
undermining the credibility of
आपको देख के आदमी बच्चे डर जाए, मेरा तो छोड़ दीजिए।
आप ये पर्सनल, ऑल दिस व्यंग एंड ऑल हैज टू स्टॉप। गोइंग तो नहीं बोल रहे,
नहीं,
आपको जब GOP बोला जाता है,
वो limit-
then you guys get rattled.
यही होता है, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम। अरे यू लेट हिम मेक हिज पॉइंट। नो संजू, आई हैव गॉट 30 seconds लेफ्ट हियर। संजू प्लीज स्टॉप, आप बोलो ना, यू स्पीक।
देखिए
इंट्रोडक्शन।
बात ये है, उस समय की डिमांड जो थी और उस समय के जो ताल्लुकात चल रहे थे, उस समय जो मामले चल रहे थे, वो इतने खराब नहीं थे जो ये हुए हैं। वहां सिर्फ नेशनली क्या भी ट्रम्प के कहने पर और नेशनल इंटरनेशनल प्रेशर में सीज फायर 3 दिन में नहीं कर दिया गया। ऐसे ही होता है इंटरनेशनल। देखिए फिर बोली,
Taken a pause.
फिर बोली,
There is no ceasefire. Do you know the spelling of ceasefire? Do you know the spelling of
no,
ceasefire?
I don't know, you know everything, bhai. I know you know everything. I know you are.
नहीं, ये डेंजर। No. You are trying to say, and I'll close here. Now you see, now he's saying, पंकज, उस समय की जो परिस्थिति थी, what परिस्थिति? आप सारे हमारे मिलिट्री डिटेल्स दे देंगे एंड से परिस्थिति।
No, nobody was
Pankaj?
giving all the military.
You support
nobody
this,
was
Pankaj?
giving all the military
You
details.
support Tariq on this?
One thing should be understood, that these military protocols are signed. to
It's not
avoid
a protocol.
conflicts.
It's an unnecessary agreement on advance information.
They are signed to
I have it. Put it down.
conflicts, to reduce the risks of miscalculations. So that likely
You put down. You're putting the. You put that down. You have no
activities
information.
can be
You're
avoided.
putting the results of your COVID test on air. Put down. Put it down. Nikhil. Yeah.
No, those are earbuds. Those are earbuds for
कुछ भी कागज दिखा दो।
कि हम कल हमला करने जा रहे थे।
Ladies and gentlemen, terrible. I am so glad these kind of agreements have become dysfunctional and the present government doesn't do it. At 9 o'clock tonight, the question which is on everybody's mind, how have there been so many spies in India and nobody knew? How come we're just finding the spies now? The biggest spy explosion in India since independence. We're going into details of it when I'm back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सब जलजीरा मसाला। सिप सिप